I'll begin by using the shortcut keys to copy and paste data. To copy, hold down mouse button and drag over source data. Hit Ctrl and C keys to copy. To paste, click on the target cell and hit the Ctrl and V keys. Next, we'll cut and paste data. Using the mouse, hold down left button and drag over source data. Hit the Ctrl and X keys to cut. To paste, click on the target cell and hit the Ctrl and V keys. You can drag the column border to the right to increase column width. Next, we'll create a series by dragging the cell handle. I'll make labels for fiscal years and quarters by dragging cell handle. Hover mouse over lower right corner of the cell. When black cross appears, hold down left button and drag in any direction to make series. Let's try it again with quarters. I type quarter 1. Then drag the cell handle to the right to make the series. Let's access the Paste Special dialog box. Note, Paste Special is only available when the clipboard contains data. No data in the clipboard. Using the mouse, drag cursor over source data. Hit the Ctrl and C keys to copy. Using the mouse, click on target cell. Hit Ctrl and Alt plus V keys. The Paste Special dialog box appears. Or right-click the mouse on target cell to access Paste Special menu. Finally, click on the Paste Clipboard icon to access the Paste Special menu. Finally, we'll paste special all, values, formulas, format transpose, and links. We start with fiscal year formulas in column A. We copy them to the clipboard, right-click on target cell and paste all from the menu. Next, right-click on the next cell and paste values from the menu. Notice the formulas have been converted into values. Again, right-click on the next target cell and paste formulas from the menu. I'll leave the target cells highlighted and right-click to select formats from the menu. Again, I'll right-click on the target cell and select transpose from the menu. Notice they all say FY2015. That's because row number is a parameter. Finally, right-click on target cell and select menu item paste link. C9 is linked to A2. Changing a value in A2 will be reflected in C9.